Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another kind of update video. Today I've actually combined my normal memory foam squishies with my paper squishies, just some that I've been making over the past couple of weeks, and I thought I would give you an update today. I know a few people on my last video did actually ask for like a combined update, so that's exactly what I'm doing today. Basically, my graphics card on my laptop has completely gone like kaput and I can't edit anything properly, so I'm just having to do this for today, so I hope you don't mind. Anyway, so I will start off with paper squishies, and the first ones that I'll start off with are the back to school inspired ones. So this one here was just like a little notebook inspired one with the cute little face on. This one here I do believe was filled up with like toy stuffing, and it squishes really nicely just because it is so kind of like fat and chunky, if that makes any sense. But yeah, there's that one. The next one that I have from the Squishy School Supplies is this little pencil. It's really dense. What is in there? I think it's toilet roll. It doesn't really do a lot, but it looks really cute, so there's that one. The next one I have is the scissors. Again, this one here feels like toy stuffing. Oh no, in the notebook that had wadding. That's why it feels like toy stuffing. Yeah, wadding in that one, and then toy stuffing in this one. I had to put toy stuffing in this one because I couldn't get anything else down in like these really narrow bits, but I'm really happy with how the face turned out. I think it just looks so cute with those little lashes. The next school supply I have is this little calculator. This is actually full with a carrier bag, I do believe. It just works in the exact same way as the wadding does. It kind of squishes down, pops back right up as you would expect, and yeah, just a little calculator design on the front. The last one from the back to school collection was this little glue. This glue was definitely my favourite. I did actually put some memory foam in this. People got mad that I was making squishies without foam, but then I put foam in this one. But I said in the video, you know, you could kind of put whatever stuffing in, and this was the only one with a bit of foam in, just because I have it hanging around, so you know, why not use it? I'm just really happy with how this came out. I like the little bits of shading with the like pens and stuff. So yeah, there's the glue. Still on the paper squishy front, I actually have 5 more, and these were kind of like subscriber icons. This one here was one from Panda Lover Experiments icon. And all of these were just stuffed with toy stuffing because that's what I had around at the time of making them. But I'm really happy with this one. It just works in the same way as the notebook one with the wadding in, just because of its size. It's very kind of similar in size and it's nice and chunky. So the next one I have is this little loo paper. This is the icon for Mythical DIY. I wonder how I am remembering these. Bit strange. But anyway, yep, there's that one. I don't know why I love this so much. I just think it's so funny. Next up, I have this little unicorn. This one was the icon from someone called Unicorn Gamer 29, I think it is. This one here didn't work out so well, but it's definitely the cutest one that I've ever drawn. I think it's so sweet. I absolutely love all this rainbow design, and it worked really well with my new pens. So yeah, I'd really recommend that you check those out. I'll leave them in the description down below so you can see exactly ones like I bought. Next up, I have this little ice cream. What was the username? Seba. I know it when I see it, but anyway, it's just a little ice cream, and yeah, I kind of put this little texture on it myself. It didn't actually have that on the original, but I felt like it needed it, so I added it on. I love his little face though, with the highlight on the eyes, just so cute. The last one from the subscriber icon was just this little mango. I don't remember the user's name, but I always recognise the little mango, as it is just obviously a kawaii mango that also looks like a kawaii potato, but you know, we love that. I've just ruined it there, haven't I? I just folded that in, did you see? Well, that's ruined. I also think it looks like a little mango jelly bean, which, you know, is quite apt because you guys are my jelly beans. That's the end of the paper. They don't even fit up there anymore. It's the end of the paper ones. I do have 5 normal memory foam squishies to update you on. These are definitely my favourite. So the first one is this little kind of ice cream narwhal squishy. Really happy with how this turned out. This took me so long to make because of all these layers, like just so long you have no idea. Now because of all the layers it does feel like kind of hard, but it is really soft to squish. It's really strange. Can you hear? But it does squish really nicely. It's really slow rising, which is just what we want, and it's really super cute as well. So yep, there's a little kawaii ice cream narwhal thingy. Thingy. Anyway, next up we have the Nyan pancake, and this was just like the ginger striped cat that I based this off. It has a little butter melted at the top, and then at the bottom it's just got a couple air holes. Basically I've just put the little feet on the bottom. I was going to put paw prints on these, but I forgot to do them, so it looks a little bit weird when the feet are kind of protruding with no paw prints on. But I wanted to do the same as kind of like I did on this Shiba, but I didn't really get into it. Anyway, this is the squishiness of this one. The air releases really nicely thanks to the 2 air holes down the bottom. Just look at that. It's so slow. I always get really mesmerised when I actually manage to make like really good like slow rising squishies. Just because like I made this from a piece of foam. Like what? I don't know. Maybe I've been doing this for too long. But basically if you just cover up these air holes, like you get a really slow rising kind of effect. Let's just take my finger off those because that's really annoying. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this one turned out also. Next up, as I've already mentioned, it was this little Shiba. Some people said it looked like a corgi or a red panda. I totally get both. Yeah, I based it off the Shiba, but you know, like I said, I'm not very good at dogs. It's just not my main suit. It turned out really nicely because of its little chubby body, and it's really slow rising, as you can tell. It is, again, quite hard on the outside, but it does feel soft to kind of like squish it. It's not very dense or anything like that, just because of the type of memory foam that I've used inside. Also, his little leg did get a bit messed up in my container. I really need to start looking after these more, but basically I threw them in like a big IKEA unit, and like they're kind of free flowing in there, and then some of them get a little bit squished, and his paw got a little bit squished there, but you know, I still love him nonetheless. So the next one that I have is this little kawaii planet. I absolutely love how this one turned out. I love all like the marbly type effect, and its face, just so cute. This is like what was I saying? Yeah, this face. I can't speak today, but this face is definitely becoming like my fast favourite with that little mouth. I think it's so cute. I want to put this face on everything now. I used to just like this open mouth, like kind of on this narwhal, but now I look at it towards this, it looks kind of boring. This looks so exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna squish the squishy and stop talking, but here she is. So you can see it. It's nice and slow. This silver bit was done with the like tulip metallics in the colour silver, obviously because it's silver, but it does squish really nicely, and it's nice and kind of slow, nice and cute, and it's just so cute to have in your hand. Like look, oh, little planet. Okay, so the last one I actually gave a tutorial on yesterday, and this was of the golden snitch. I'm not sure if I got into it too much, but basically what I want to start doing is making little creatures and like objects and stuff like that from Harry Potter, making them really cute with all my cute faces on, and then making them into squishies. Yeah, and that's basically what I want to do. So I didn't really know how to do it because I'm really bad at people, and I needed to pick something that you guys would kind of recognise from being from Harry Potter, so I picked the snitch as it's obviously from Harry Potter, and it was really easy to kind of incorporate my face and like combine the two together. So yeah, here's the golden snitch. The snitch part is really kind of like soft. It like, there's like nothing about it at all. Look, it's like so soft. The wings are a little bit more kind of hard and dense, but that's just because of the amount of layers of white paint there is, because I had to really build it up and make it really kind of opaque. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. The gold on this is so shiny. This is just the tulip metallics in the colour gold, kind of like what I used on the planet, but obviously in gold. And yeah, that's the golden snitch. I also thought that it looked like a bow, you know, like a bow and arrow, like Cupid or something, but no, I'm just rambling. So yeah, that's the golden snitch, and that marks the very last of this kind of squishy update. I had 5 memory foam and then 10 paper, just because I've been quite into paper ones again recently, which is quite surprised, as I didn't think it would happen. I definitely think my memory foam ones are better and they will like last time, but I don't know, I really like them all, and yeah, that's all I have to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was super quick and yeah, not much DIY going on, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow for a something else Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!